I bought myself some falafel. This is oven falafel. Because I was getting hungry, I overbought, but it's okay, it'll stay in the freezer. This is cod with cream. I also bought rice duck, or duck rice, which is, I have water which I'm going to use to make polenta. I still have to do polenta today. Oh, don't I? No, I can do that tomorrow. It's just the water. It will hold. And these are some pastries filled with meat on the oven. Everything is on the oven. I'm an oven girl. And I bought this because I bought the falafel, so I needed the sauce to eat with the falafel. And I looked at this pizza looked at me, and yeah, here we are. These are to be test trials. A, because I was already hungry, so I can resist, and B, because I have no idea what they taste like, and C, because I was hungry and I was planning on having them today. Now that I'm home and I'm hungry, I still don't know what I'm going to eat, and having choices doesn't help. So I'll have the rice duck because everything's in there. You just put it in the oven, turn it on. Put it on the oven. When it's done, and I have some vegetables. I can eat with it, and I'll be over with it. And now I'm going to put these away. I need to put them in back today. Beans cooked. This is the remaining flavor part of Korean stew for fish, which I absolutely love, and I have to buy that fish again because it was delicious. Now, this is the drawer of the freezer where I'm supposed to have the meals ready to eat. I gotta start labeling things, but I know this is octopus. We'll have to go into another drawer. And this, honestly, oh no, this is already the curry. This is already the curry I made with the mung beans. This flavor. So this will go to the. This is neither a meal nor raw. All of these are cooked. They were simply too much for me to eat at once, but they aren't a meal. So I'll put them on the last drawer, because it can be used as a complement to a meal, or to add flavor to something. And in here I will only have the things that are really meals or ready to eat. So I believe I'll be able to occupy this part and a bit of this with the meals I'll have ready soon. But not today, because today they will be put in the fridge to make sure they are completely cold before they get in the freezer. I will keep the yogurts in the fridge until tomorrow, just in case I feel like, yeah, I will make an overnight oats today, so that I can have tomorrow either as a breakfast or as a dessert. More like I can together. I'll put it there.